Madam!
You're probably wondering how I got myself in this situation, but I tell you, men will make you do many things, many crazy things you never thought yourself capable of. This is my husband Dilly, and we've been married for 4 years. He's a good man, or so many say, but even good men need to know and respect boundaries when dealing with other women. And this is our new hotshot and extremely single neighbor who also... That reminds me, please, I will need you to help me pick up some groceries from the supermarket on your way back, okay? Don't worry, I'm not going to stress you, it's just a few items.
Pick it up yourself, please.
Baby, see, I have a meeting at the office today and it's going to take a while, okay? So I know I won't be home early, so just help me do it, okay?
The supermarket doesn't close early today. Please, pick it up yourself. Huh? You know what?
You're not eating?
Yeah, I'm full. You can join me outside, eh? I'll be in the car.
Baby.
Hello.
Please help me.
Okay.
Careful.
I got you. Hey, these zips. Yes. This dress is tight too. Like, are you sure you can breathe?
I don't know, I'm still thinking about it.
I hope you don't have any meetings today.
No. Why?
Good. That's good. Because I don't want your bosses looking at you too much. This dress is too hot.
Really? Okay. Here you go. Perfect.
And then I guess I'm not ordering lunch for you today as well. So you can breathe in this dress now.
Baby, you're going to order the lunch. I'm going to unzip and eat. Else.
Oh yeah, no.
Do you want me to strong you?
Hey! Take it easy.
Let's go.
You snatched queen.
Thank you.
Hi! Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, sorry, I'm Emily. I'm your next door neighbor. New neighbor, actually.
Yeah, I remember. I saw you last night when I was working on the generator.
Yes, and I saw you too, but I was like, you know what, let me not disturb her with my stress or whatever. Let me let her work. And I said I'll come this morning.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Emily.
Hi, thank you.
I am Angela and my husband, Dilly.
Oh, nice. Angela, I must say, you are one strong woman.
Really? How so?
I mean, I saw you yesterday, and with the generator changing stuff, and the oil, and the man stuff, I'm just like, girl power, you go, girl, because it can never be me. I'm a chick, and I don't do stress at all. Yeah, so well done. You know what? I brought this as a little, gift to make your acquaintance.
Thank you so much, Emily. This is so thoughtful of you, okay?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We appreciate the kind gesture. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me let you go. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Mwah.
Bye.
Stay blessed.
Bye. Dilly.
Such a well-mannered girl, you gotta admit.
Baby, you didn't remember to call the generator guy?
You didn't call him, Angela.
Are you kidding me? I told you the generator was bad for you to call him. Wait. So, I will be the one to discover that the generator is bad. And I will still be the one to call the mechanic to come fix it.
Come on, you use this generator more than I do. Which is why I thought you would have called him by now, Angela. Come on.
Wait, Dilly. Like, I am the only one that uses the generator right now in this house, right?
Please calm down. I want you to know all this time you're using to speak to me, you would have called him. Please call him. I have work to do, Angela.
Dele!
Come in. The door is open. Come in. The door is open.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Emily, right?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm so sorry to barge in on you like this. I'm having a bit of a situation or problem in my apartment. So my sink is leaking and I don't know what to do.
Really? Since when?
This afternoon, I don't know if you have like maybe someone in the area that I can speak to.
You know, don't worry about it. Let me come have a look.
Thank you so much.
Let's go have a look.
Thank you. I really appreciate
That's
this.
okay.
Were you able to help Emily fix her sink?
Yeah, small problem. Can you imagine? These guys are supposed to fix these things before these people move in. That's what's the right thing to do, but then, I don't know.
Okay. Let me go get ready for bed. Okay.
Dele!
Angela, I am almost ready for work.
The water has stopped.
I think you've had enough in that shower. You can come out already.
I still have soap all over my body. Come let me check it out.
Angela, come on.
Should I stay here till tomorrow? I'm stuck in the bedroom.
Am I supposed to come in there and join you? I am fully dressed.
Dele!
Angela, please, call the plumber. Figure it out.
Dele, you not leave me in the bedroom here.
Call the plumber, put the bill on me. It's okay, love. Take care.
Work. Let's go.
No way.
I couldn't even there. I literally just got back from science kit. Who's the girl? Yeah, and Dave, don't you get tired? Okay. The date still stands. Yeah, it still stands. Okay, bye. Hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm fine. Oh, you look lovely.
Good.
Are you coming from like a date or?
Actually, no. I'm coming from work. But thanks for the compliment.
You're welcome.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So how are you finding the new neighborhood?
It is giving everything that it's supposed to give. It's so zen and perfect.
Actually, that is very nice, okay? But if you need any help finding your way around or anything as per new environments, do not hesitate to ask, okay? I will be here to help you.
You're so sweet, Angela. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome, Emily, and all of the rest of your day.
I sure would. Mwah.
Bye.
Bless.
Hi.
Hi.
Is everything okay?
No, actually, my back door is jammed.
Did you try using your key?
I'm too sure that I didn't lock it with the key, but I've tried, I've struggled, and it's not opening.
It's okay, don't stress. Let's go have a look.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay, so...
So how was work?
Exhausting. Oh, they want to finish my life in the office, honestly.
Do I need to send someone a warning letter?
Maybe you should. Rain your power down on them. Have you been home all day?
No. I literally just got back. But you can go.
I'm so sorry to interrupt.
No.
The door was wide open.
It's okay. Come in. Do you need anything?
Yes, actually. There's something wrong with my lights in my house. I don't know. It's very dim and I can hardly like see anything. So I don't know. Why don't you
It's okay. It seems like a disconnection to me. Let me have a look. I'll be back.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for lending me him for this night. Thank you.
Baby,
My love.
wait. They're still on this match.
They're almost done anyways.
We still haven't scored yet.
You know, I usually let teams that play football.
Don't you ever talk about my team like that. Do you hear me? Yeah. Go! Oh, these guys are messing up for real, Sha.
That was a close one.
Yeah. They don't lose the chance.
So I was thinking, can we invite Emily over?
For what?
Let her just come watch the match with us now. She might be lonely at home or whatever. It's called good neighborliness, you know.
Good neighborliness, my food. Better not start what you cannot finish. Baby, I am sure Emily have lots of friends, online friends to keep her company. She does not need to watch football with us to cure boredom, okay?
Yeah, then online friends and physical friends are different. But then, it's okay. Whatever you say. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment. Babe.
Yes?
Quick one. Emily's at the store. She's trying to get that same sanitary pad used, but she can't seem to find it. Can you please give her pointers?
Is the audacity for me. So this lady couldn't call me or any other female in this entire world. Is my husband. She is calling for sanitary pad. Sanitary pad. Anyways, it's my fault. I should have been more specific when I said she could come for help. Mr. Good Samaritan, I am sure Emily should be able to navigate around town on her own.
Come on now, she's new in town. Don't save her this.
Then she can shop online if shopping for her own personal effects around town is termed stressful.
Don't be difficult, just help the girl.
Why is she even asking you anyways?
You know what, just... Yeah, hello, I'm so sorry. You know what? My love, I'll see you later.
Hold up, what's with the excitement? Are you going out with the boys?
Well, I'm going to watch match and I'm very positive that we're winning this one.
Okay. Should I be expecting you back home early?
Well, I'm just going a few blocks away, so I'm sure I'll be back soon.
Sorry, I don't get that.
I discovered that Emily is a Chelsea fan like myself, so we're watching the match together.
Dele, since when did you start going over to the neighbor's house to watch football?
What do you mean? Since I discovered that we share the same views on football.
Are you even listening to yourself right now, Dele? Do you understand how you sound? What now? You and Emily all of a sudden has become match buddies?
Listen, I'm not doing this today. If I stay here to argue with you, I'm going to miss the match. And besides, if I call her to watch it here, you wouldn't allow it, so please,
Dele,
have fun.
Dele, you're not working out on me. Dele!
Oh, that was close. That was close. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Hey.
Come on,
Hey.
go.
Hey. Damn.
Let's get this one.
All right.
Let's get this
This
one.
is it.
This is it.
I
This is
believe.
it. This is it.
Wow.
Okay.
Press it very well.
I will proceed.
All right, let's try it now.
All right.
Hopefully it works this time.
Okay.
Oh, wow, I didn't expect it to come like that. Man, I think this one passed my power.
I think so
We
too.
have to get a professional now.
I agree because you actually tried your best.
Man.
But are you planning on spending money on a plumber today?
About that. You know what? I'll cover it. Don't worry about it.
Bet
Yeah, I got you.
your wife is...
How was that? Emily's place.
So wait. So you run to help again as a handyman?
What do you mean?
Can I ask you a question, Billy? If whatever it is you went to do in that house happens to be in this house, would you have fixed it?
Angela, I don't like where you're headed with this, honestly.
What I'm trying to say is that every single time that girl comes here for help, you run to her like a child even before she's done asking. But when it comes to my needs, our home, your house, you've left everything in my care.
That's a very rude way to describe what's going on, Angela.
Is it not true? Am I lying?
Are you trying to tell me not to help a neighbor? Our neighbor.
Why don't you start from helping out in your house, Billy? Helping out your wife!
Are you trying to compare yourself to some single girl living alone? All by herself?
No, what I'm saying is that you should slow it down, Dilly. You're doing too much. Way too much.
You're being overly dramatic about this and it doesn't suit you, Angela. This is not right.
Yes, I need to show off my husband. Hello, it's not easy.
But I'm shy.
Stop it. Let me show.
Oh, but you look good. Your hair is nice.
Kiss. Yes, darling. Out here chilling with my husband.
Hey, how did I get this fine yourself?
Oh no, I'm going to blush. Let me see.
Hey, look at these people in this film. Their drama is too much.
Is it not you and Z-Wood? I don't even understand how my husband loves to watch
Allow me to watch my drama now. I like the drama.
Enjoy.
I like the slow motion, all the pauses. Yeah, it's nice.
Just imagine.
Chai, I need to go ease myself. I'll be done.
Okay, baby.
Please help me. You recap everything I missed when I come.
Oh, should I pause it for you?
Or you could just...
Yeah, I could just pause it.
Look at that. It went exactly how I told you it was gonna go. Guy, you need to listen to me more often. Hey, you see life. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. I'm glad to hear that as well. My wife, Angela, she's okay. She's upstairs somewhere having fun, I trust. How is your own madam? Ha! Eh? You've left that girl too? Ha! Ah, brother, no be so, no be so. She was good to you. Come on now. Ah, he's supposed to call me first, at least ask for advice, make I even give one or two things. So wait, it's completely done now, no hope. Ha! Omo. Hey, you get mine though. No, Alasha, we move. We move. We move. No. Bro, no, 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 no. You're speaking to... You're speaking to someone else already. Hey, now you be cool.
Baby. Oh, your hair. Babe, I think something is wrong with my bedside socket.
Really?
Yes. I tried plugging in my phones, but it's not working.
Maybe it's not working. Use another one.
I know, baby, but you know how I just want to lie in bed, plug my phone, and press it at the same time. So please, come help me take a look.
Angela, you have a ton of sockets to choose from. If that one is faulty, please use another one.
I knew you were going to say this, Dilly. I knew you were going to tell me to use other sockets, but if it's Emily, you go run into her like a child.
Please, don't start this right now.
Start what? Baby, what would happen if you just got up from this chair? Come help me out for once like you do for Emily. Would that be so bad?
Listen, I'm not in the mood for this.
Really?
Yes! Because every time you don't get what you want, you turn my kindness against me.
Why don't you for once there? For once extend this same kindness to me?
So you call this cruelty? This is cruelty to you?
If that's what you want to call it, then by all means, Dilly, call it!
You're so dramatic. Just look at you. I was just right there, having a peaceful day, but you choose to ruin it. Freaking go upstairs there and use any of the sockets that works.
Dilly, you see this thing you're doing, Dilly? This attitude of yours is not going to be pleasant at the end, and I promise you that. Right?
Come.
Okay.
Have you got any plans for tonight?
Oh, do you have some plans for me?
So I've booked us a dinner reservation at your favorite restaurant, so we can have a good time tonight.
What's the occasion?
Ouch! So I've actually lost my touch that bad.
Baby, stop it, okay? Besides, a girl is allowed to act surprised.
Oh yeah? So the thing is, we've been fighting and arguing a lot. I really want to make it up to you so I can get back in your good books.
And who said you were ever in my bad book?
Who says I'm not trying to get to the top of the list, to the front page? Come on.
Well, I think that is achievable.
Okay then, get ready, I'll join you. It's about to be a time to remember and never forget.
I'm coming. I'm excited.
Baby, you're not dressed.
Yeah, I was getting dressed when Emily called me.
Excuse me?
She's ill. I need to take her to the hospital.
Wait. Dele, Emily cannot take an Uber to the hospital, call a friend or someone to go take her to the hospital. Why you?
I am disappointed in you, Angela. I am disappointed. That's even an understatement. Where is your humanity? It's our neighbor we're talking about. Do you think it's some random stranger?
Are you being serious right now, Billy?
So wait, Angela, you'd rather go to a restaurant, sit there, eat chicken wings and actually save a human's life?
Dele, what I'm talking about is that why does it always have to be you?
There you go again. That's it.
Dele, you're always running out to help, or you're always running out to help everyone, but neglects me. But no one literally comes through for me, your wife.
Matthew 22, verse 39.
Excuse me.
Love your neighbor as yourself. Come on. Look at her, she's calling me. I need to go out. I'll speak to you later.
Those two are having an affair. under your nose, Angela, and you are just looking.
They are not.
Wait. Am I the only one that saw what just happened?
Lizzie, you know my husband, okay? Dele just likes playing nice.
Then why are you about to burst?
Me, burst. Please, I'm not, okay? See, sometimes it can be really annoying to watch, but Jerry's not in there.
Baby girl, don't be this naive. Clearly, your husband is having an affair with that hot neighbor of yours.
I thought you said this is the dishwasher.
If I had mentioned that it's the water heater in my bedroom, your wife would have been all sauce.
What for now?
The other day, the gatesman told me he caught her being a peeping Tom at my window.
No, that's not possible. Not Angela now. Come on.
I swear.
Wait. So Angela thinks you're sleeping with me?
Yes.
Ah.
I thought the same thing.
That's crazy.
So actually the heater is acting crazy. I've tried everything that I can. I've called the landlord and he's not doing anything.
Forget that landlord, Joe. That one is a stubborn man. Until you do it yourself, he would never do anything.
I know. And I've called an electrician, but I think he's trying to cheat me because I'm a woman.
How much did he tell you?
25,000 naira.
Come on now. That's the price. You know, I work in real estate and I know the way things are. Things are expensive now. You know what? Bring whatever you have, I'll pay the balance. I got you.
You will? Thank you.
Yeah, what are neighbors for?
If you were not married, I would have married you. And even as you're married, I know that you're a lot of girls' spec. Even me.
That's flattering. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. I know I'll find you here.
Breakfast is ready, right?
No, it's not. I ran out of gas when I was cooking and I'm already halfway gone.
Oh, okay.
Please, baby, I will need you to help me go refill while I continue with the preparations for the rest of the food.
But why do you always have to involve me in everything, Angela? Why?
Dele, it's just to get gas right outside the estate gates. It doesn't even take you up to 20 minutes.
You know what? Let's order in. You can get the gas on your way to work tomorrow or something.
I knew you would decline. Dele, I knew you would decline if the request is coming from me, and by all means turn me down.
Why are you so angry? What have I actually said that is so wrong? I said you can order dinner or whatever you want.
Dele, you're pushing me. You're seriously pushing me and you won't like what you're going to get at the end.
Are you threatening me now? Come on. Really?
Dele must think he has a fool for a wife. Of course he's definitely thinking that for him to be acting this way. But there is only so much a woman can take.
Are you walking out to me, Angela?
Lizzie, I'm losing it.
Calm down and talk to me. What happened?
Lizzie's Dele. Dele doesn't lift a muscle to help me in this house, Lizzie. Dele doesn't. I am the one, Lizzie. I am the one that has to turn on the generator. I am the one that has to call the mechanic, the plumber, the electrician. I'm the one to take out the trash. I'm the one to change the switch. I am the one to do literally everything in this house. And I have a man. I have a husband.
I hate to say I warned you, but you didn't listen. You know it's your fault, right?
How?
This is exactly how you started with Dele. You're always doing everything. And I did warn you, severally. But did you listen? No.
Lizzie, how was I supposed to know that he was gonna get this worse?
Your man will be messing up with little things and you keep letting it slide. Now you see? You didn't talk about it before. What difference do you think it's going to make if you complain now?
You know, talking to him, Lizzie, talking to him is
just as if I'm talking to a stone.
Look at you doing both man and woman work, eh?
Lizzie, any more of this, I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose my mind.
Girl, try to calm down. Calm down.
I'm thinking of a divorce.
What? You can't be serious.
You're not the one wearing the shoe. I know where it hurts, Lizzie. I know exactly where it hurts.
Don't be silly, Angela. Look, marriages have their challenges. And your first approach should not be a divorce.
I have tried, Lizzie. I have tried communicating, but it all fell on deaf ears. So what am I supposed to do? And you know, the most annoying part of all this, is that this man doesn't seem to know or see what he's doing wrong.
I understand. And I am not saying you shouldn't be upset. But please try other options first.
Lizzie.
Angela, try other options. That's all I'm saying. Let divorce be your last option. Okay?
Okay. Okay, Lizzie, okay? Okay, but this has to stop. This. All of it has to stop. Because I can't.
Sometimes the universe hears our cry and conspires to bring solution to our problems.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
I haven't really seen your face around before.
Yeah, I recently just moved in.
Oh.
Yeah, the apartment just next to you.
Okay. Sorry. My name is Angela, and I live here with my husband.
Oh, cool. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really don't mean to bother.
Okay.
As you know, I'm new, and I've been having issues with electricals in my house. So I don't know if you have an electrician you could introduce.
That's fine. I can help you make a call across to one. It's okay.
That would be so nice. It's so
All
kind.
right.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Thank you so much.
See you around then.
Hi. Ciao.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Hi, Alex.
How are
Come
you?
in.
Thank you. Oh, nice place.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Sorry, I just stopped by to say thank you for the electrician.
Yeah.
Electrician.
Yes, of course,
Thank
I
you so
remember. So I take it that everything is sorted out.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Definitely knows his onion. He knows what he's
And
doing.
I take it you saved his number.
About that, so no, I didn't. And that's because it was something I could have been able to handle myself. But I was just too tired from packing, unpacking. You know, mine was just knackered, so I couldn't really attend to that.
I hear you.
Oh, I'm serious. I am very handy. I would have been able to handle that.
Okay, is that not what you men like to think of yourselves?
Okay, so I totally understand, but then let me break this down to you. So I studied engineering. I lived abroad for a while, and you know how artisans over there can be very expensive.
True.
Exactly. So I had to learn to fix up house stuffs myself.
Like what exactly? Sorry, if I may ask details.
Okay, well, building home furnitures, painting, fixing of electrical works, unclogging sinks, that's like plumbing. Yeah, all the stuffs basically.
You know that I was actually going to call a plumber to come unclog my sink because it's clogged tomorrow. And if I actually did know you very well, I would have said you should come and use that to prove yourself.
Well,
or prove your skills.
my skills are here. I'm willing to do that for you, unclog your sink. Any day, anytime, for free.
Are you being serious?
Yes, I mean, to say thank you, why not? And I'm your neighbor. I live just next door. I can always be here.
Okay. What if you fail?
Fail? What if I fail? I'll take my words back then. Yes.
All right then. You have yourself a sink to unclog tomorrow.
Okay.
So I'll be seeing you around.
Definitely. I'll come.
I'll be expecting
Thank you so much. Do have a good evening.
You too.
A good day.
Alex.
Yeah. Ciao.
Bye. Hi, baby.
Who was that?
Oh, that, I was unable.
Okay.
Hey, I was just get my phone.
That's okay.
Hey.
Voila! Oh my goodness, Alex, you did it! Go, Alex, go, Alex, go!
I told you. It's okay.
Oh,
There
you're
was just
actually
all the
hiding.
food and all that.
Baby!
That was blocking it. Yeah.
How are you?
Fine, you're back from work already.
Yeah, I am. I see you finally called the plumber.
No, baby, this is Alex.
Yeah, hi. How you doing, man?
Alex.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Very good.
Well done.
Thank you.
All right.
See?
Well done, Alex.
It's not-
You're so handy.
And I told you, so I'm not taking my words back.
Okay, you need to.
Well done.
Thank you.
You know what? Let me go upstairs and change my clothes. I'll see you later.
Yeah, baby, I'll be right behind you. Alex, thank you so much, Alex. Okay, I'll just get something
Yes,
to clean
we
out.
need some.
Well, okay, I'm coming. Just
Yeah,
hold
it's
it.
fine. I'm not taking my words back.
Baby,
My love.
please can you help me with this? And this too. Yeah, that reminds me, love. Please, can you help me pick up the laundry on your way back?
Why can't you pick it up yourself?
I figured out it's going to be much more easier for you since it's on your route back.
Honestly, it's a busy week for me. I don't think I can make it. It's not the right time.
So, you won't be able to help us out. Baby is literally on your way back from work.
Angela, see. This one, I really have to pass on this one. I'm going
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. I'm Alex. We met the other day.
How may I help you?
Your wife.
Hi!
Yes, there she is. Hi.
Alex, you came! Honey, I called Alex to help me change the generator oil, okay?
Yes.
Alex, please, with me. This
Okay.
way.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Thank
it.
you so much. That was so easy.
No, it's okay. Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you so much.
All right. Have a good evening.
Have a
All
good
right,
one.
ciao now.
Bye.
Angela,
Yes, darling.
I don't know if you know. Calling another man to this house for assistance is an insult to your husband. Most especially when I'm around.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know that someone was around. But yes, of course.
Are you going to work?
Yes, I am.
Oh, thank God. I caught you just in the right time. I need something.
What's it? Talk to me.
So I bought this coffee maker yesterday and I haven't been able to use it. It's just been stressing me out. I'm reading the instructions and I don't know, I need to use it today.
Emily, I'm sorry. Can I do this when I get back, please?
No.
I promise.
I promise it won't take so long. You know, you're like a strong, smart man who would figure it out like quickly, not like me. I'm just like, the instructions are just stress out.
All right then.
Yeah, okay, thank you. You know, all these things, I don't know, they make them to just frustrate your mental health and just stress you out. And I don't understand why.
Oh, hi. Good evening.
How may I help you?
I was just taking out my trash and I thought,
You do not need your
Oh, hi, Alex.
Oh, hi, Angela. How are you?
Good.
Yeah, so I was taking out my trash and I thought maybe your trash may be full. I could help you take
Of
it
course,
out.
Alex. Mine is actually very full. Baby, please let him in. Come right in.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Alex,
fine.
for doing this. I truly appreciate. Come, let me show
Anything for
you.
you.
Thank you.
Tell me now.
You know, one day your brutality will land you in jail.
You know the problem I have with you guys is that you guys like being lied to so much.
So you're trying to say that brutality and violence is the best way out?
But telling her to pay more attention to her wardrobe is not violence, Angela.
Okay, I hear you, Mrs. Say it as it is.
No.
Yes.
I thought you said your sink was clogged. You got it fixed?
Yes, darling, by my very kind neighbor.
Wait, is it the new neighbor you told me about?
Yes, Alex. Girl, that guy is godsend.
You don't say.
Yes. You know, ever since we moved into this house, I hardly do anything strenuous.
Wow.
Like, he takes out my trash, he changes the light bulb, he turns on the generator. You won't believe that the last time, he actually took me for my salon appointment.
And you're not paying this guy, you.
He even does it before I say job.
Hey. You know, if I wasn't married, I would have begged you to please link me up with this guy.
I'm actually married and it's not really lacking in that aspect.
My friend, that's the truth though. But honestly speaking, these are the kind of men every woman needs in their home.
My darling, I agree with you.
Not like...
I do. Please, I will not take you talking about my husband or making referrals to my husband like that. I'm sorry. So, do you want lots of pepper or not?
You know me, I like pepper now. Put pepper.
Let's say you come for this with yourself.
I'm not
Because
your guest.
I'm not your guest. I'm not for yourself.
I'm
You're
not
just standing there drinking water, not doing anything.
Go and cook!
This is actually really delicious.
Thank you.
I bet mine is tasted than yours.
Yeah. You. Well, that's good.
Just right. Mine was prepared with love and served with grace. I can taste every bit of it from every grain of rice.
I make both meal and I serve both meals, so I know they are both good.
But you're enjoying it.
Well, because my husband fed me.
Try it again. Confirm.
Hey.
Hey, easy. Am I wrong? Can't you taste the love in my own?
I can't rather. Yeah. That even reminds me, baby.
Yeah.
Baby, you won't believe what happened today.
Tell me, what happened?
Oh my god, remember it. Thinking about it alone, I'm like, okay,
I can already tell this is serious gist. Spill it.
babes,
Yeah.
I don't even know if to say it's sweet or it's embarrassing, but let me start. So, on my way back from work, okay, I was so pressed. I literally ran into the compound like a lunatic. And on getting to the front pouch, trying to open the door, my bag fell and every single item was on the floor.
You were rushing. You still had time to carry your bag.
Baby, I totally ignored it, okay?
Correct.
I ran in, used the restroom, of course, freed up myself, and on coming out, I was praying. I was like, Jesus, let it be that nobody, someone gets one. Alex did. Alex literally saw when I ran into the compound like a lunatic and saw my bag fell. So he literally picked up every single thing that was on the floor and put it back in my bag. And I'm like, oh my goodness, hope I didn't leave anything embarrassing inside my bag. Oh my goodness. You know, I was there thinking, I'm praying and hoping that I had nothing embarrassing in my bag. Wait, babes. That's not even the worst of it.
Yes, I have an appointment. Oh, how's our new neighbor? You both seem to be getting quite well acquainted. You run into each other a lot. What is his name?
Why don't you go over to his apartment and ask him, since you seem to be getting along very well with male neighbors. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Have a good day as well.
So all I'm trying to do now is just adjust the edges.
Okay.
By the time I'm done with these edges of your door or right out the microwave door, that squeaky sound you've been complaining of, it will squeak no more. Trust me.
Please.
I'm telling you.
I'm waiting for you to work your magic.
Just wait. Just wait.
Okay.
Yes, so.
And what's going on here?
Oh.
Oh, baby. Alex is helping me fix the microwave.
It has this squeaky sound, so I'm just trying to...
If the microwave was bad, why didn't you ask me to fix it or call the electrician?
My darling, I actually called the electrician and guess what? It's fully booked for the week. And for you, I didn't want to disturb your very busy schedule, okay? But not to worry. Alex here is doing a very beautiful job. Yeah, watch this, baby. Oh God, it worked! Thank you so much, Alex.
No more squeaky sound.
Oh my goodness, let's do that again. Let's do that again. Okay. Oh my. Oh, it's working. Oh yeah.
No more squeaky sound.
Oh, that's amazing, Alex.
Yeah,
You know,
I
that's
told
really
you.
amazing. Thank
Let
you
me
so much.
Let's just tighten this part.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
Let's see what you have there.
I just want to tighten the edges on this side.
I just need an apple.
Oh.
Really? Okay. So let's see what you have there.
Yes, just this edges, you know.
You know, you have to teach me how to do all of these things because
Why
I actually
not?
get to do all the manual labor around.
But then you have to come to my house to learn. Yeah.
No, don't worry. I'll pass. I think yeah.
I think I got this one. Yes.
Look at the realization of that.
I mean, come on, I told you I learned these things I was paying
Oh, that was
a lot for. Yep, that's good.
I need a bottle of juice.
okay. Yes. So Alex, I was actually saying that you need to show me how to.
I will.
Work all of this.
I will. I'm almost done. Don't worry, I'll soon be out of your space because I'm almost done.
I'm not sure it's completed. Don't worry. Let's go. Yeah. So.
Is it not working already?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's trying to show me around, baby.
I'm just trying to type in all the issues I have.
Yeah, of course. You know, I literally do all the mama work around here, so it's very, very important I learn.
Hey, come on. I'll teach you. Why not? Yes.
You know, I'm actually the handy person around here, so you should. Oh, baby.
A bottle of water. You guys should hurry up, eh? I need us to discuss upstairs.
Oh, don't worry, we'll go with.
Angela, I'm rushing out soon, so I need you upstairs.
Okay, baby, I will be there. So as you were saying, I will need you to show me how to. Don't worry, Alex, it's fine, it's fine. I'm sure he's not bothered. Oh, don't worry. I have to learn, it's okay. So, literally, I was saying that you need to show me how to some of this things because, you know, I am actually kind of like the handy guy around. Yeah!
Hello, neighbor.
You have a way of catching me when I'm headed out.
It's a coincidence, at least most of the time.
It's all right. I believe you. I believe you.
I do have a favor to ask you, though.
Right now?
Do you remember the decoder that I got? The one you helped me set up. So you will not believe it that I haven't actually had the time to enjoy it for 1 single second ever since that day.
Really?
Yes, and look, at the end of the day, like when I'm tired with all my personal stuff that I'm doing, I just end up like going on Netflix or Prime, so I don't really like use it.
You know what? This is not a good time because I'm rushing out. I wish I could sit down and chat, but I can't.
I'm not just chatting, so I'm getting to the point. I don't know if you could come and help me out because I put it on today for the first time and none of the channels are showing.
Unfortunately, I'm actually rushing out right now.
Okay, fine. I'll wait for you to get back.
Come on now, Emily. Just pick up your remote, you know, play with a few buttons. I'm sure you can figure it out.
But
Like I said, just pick up your remote, press a few buttons, search for the channels yourself. You can do it.
Oh, but what if I spoil it?
Come on, even a 6-year-old can do it. If you just pick up your remote, figure it out, you can't spoil anything now. You get it. All right, I'll catch you later.
Okay.
I'm coming. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Angela.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
So is Dele around? I want to ask him for help with something.
Sure, of course he's around. I'll go get him for you. Why don't you come inside and get some coffee?
Thank you.
Okay. Just have a seat.
Thank you.
Dele, wake up.
What is it?
Emily's downstairs. She's looking for you. She said something about needing you to help her with something. Oh, wait. I forgot to ask.
Oh, sorry. Good evening.
Good evening, Alex.
Is Angela home?
Yes, she's home, but she's not available to see you.
She's not available to see me?
Like I said, she's home, but she's not available to see you, Alex.
But she was the one who called me.
Have a nice day.
Dele, was that Alex's voice I just heard?
Yes, but I told him to leave.
Why would you do something like that? I called him to come help me out.
That's unfortunate.
You had no right, Dele. You had no right to do what you just did now.
So you're so fond of this guy, you can't even bear to see him go?
Yes, I cannot bear that thought, Dele, because that is the one person that has decided to be of help to the wife you married and you claim to have.
So Angela, this is what you're going to tell yourself so you can entertain the thought of having him around. I like that.
When was the last time you lifted a muscle to help me in this house? Baby, help me turn on the generator. I am tired. Help me pick up some groceries or drop off the clothes at the laundry. I am busy. I am in a haste. I am too tired. But whenever our darling, lonely Emily comes running, you go to her aid even before she's done acting.
Listen to me. I'm not going to entertain this thought right now.
Then I am not done talking to you. Love your neighbor as you love yourself, yes. But how about you extend some of those love to your wife? How about you help your wife?
So your plan now is to paint me as a bad husband, right?
I have given Emily the free rein to walk into my house without shame or respect and ask you for just about anything because she knows she is capable of getting you to do that.
Listen, I'm just trying to be nice to that girl. Why do you have a problem with this?
You can, okay? Of course, darling, you can, and it's not my business, which is also why you have no business sending out the one person that is doing the same thing for your wife under your roof.
Angela.
Do you know how much it hurts? How it saddens me to see you running to that girl's aid, even before she's done acting and doing things I could never, ever get you to do for me for her.
Listen, I never saw it that way. I didn't realize that's how it made you feel. I was only trying to help her.
And you think I do not need that help too? Jenny, I do all the heavy lifting in this house. I even started doing it before we got married. And I continued. I never made a fuss out of it. I never balked you. Is that why you now take me for granted?
Hey, don't say that. Why would I take you for granted, Angela? I love you. Come on. You know how much I love you. Angela.
Tell it, please. I don't want any issues.
I don't want any issues as well. Listen, I didn't realize I've been such a terrible husband.
I never used those words.
You really don't have to. I realize now, honestly, that I have gotten so comfortable with getting away with everything and anything that makes me happy. I haven't focused on what makes you happy. Like, I don't even tend to you as I should. What I'm trying to say here is that I'm sorry. Listen, I want to do better. And I love you so much. I don't want you to feel like I'm a horrible husband, please.
It's fine.
I mean it, babe, honestly.
And I said, it's fine. Okay? Baby, did you take out the trash? I went to drop that and noticed the trash has been emptied.
Yes, I did.
Yourself?
Yeah.
But the trash is not even full yet.
Who says trash has to be full before I take it out?
Strange things are happening. Hello, baby.
Babe, what's up?
I'm good, you?
Okay, quick one. Please, I'm about to leave the office now. So I was wondering if you have any errands you want me to run for you.
No, I can't think of anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm certain.
Alright. Alright, I'll see you at home then.
Okay, see you.
This is what I wanted, I must admit. But I'm not going to let this fool me because I know the man I married. This could just be an initial eagerness to please.
Oh, hi Lily. Good evening.
Good day to you too, Alex. Did my wife ask you for anything?
Oh no, it's been a while, so I thought to just stop by and check up on her in case she would need me to do anything for her.
Young man, I don't know if they trained you well, but they should have taught you not to come knocking at a married woman's door at any time you feel.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. But just a friendly warning between the both of us. I don't want to see you anywhere near my home or my wife. Do we have an understanding?
Yes, we do.
Excellent.
In all the house chores.
Don't worry, I have this friend and his wife. They have this woman that comes to clean like twice a week or whatever. I'm going to engage your services for the week.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and then you don't even have to worry about cooking because we're going to order food morning, afternoon, and night. You're resting, and you know that beauty sleep when you get all of it.
Do you know what? I'm not even going to protest anymore, okay?
Yeah.
Anything, bring it on.
I got you.
Just want to be here.
Just rest.
Baby.
You know what? I'll take them myself.
Really?
Yeah, like, why would you stress when it's not even on your route? I got you.
Okay. Thank you.
Besides, it's ours, right?
Of course it is.
Dele, hi.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
Good. I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, what can I say? I've been busy with work.
Oh, okay. It's, well, understandable, obviously. I was having an issue with the light switch. I don't know if you can help
That sounds
me.
like a general problem. You can call an electrician for that.
But I don't have any electrician. I don't know of
I
any
think
electrician.
My wife has the number of our electrician. You can speak to her inside. Yeah. All right, now, cheers.
Thank you.
Babe, I just knew I had to take your advice and look for a solution.
Wait, before we go into details, I hope Dilly cannot hear us.
Don't worry, he's exhausted and he's resting, okay?
Okay, then start talking. Spill.
Babes, after so much consideration and thinking, I just knew I had to swing into action, okay? To save my sanity and my marriage.
Babe, stop messing up with my emotions and tell me how you did it.
Be calming down now. Like, Dora, I won't hear you like this.
We had a talk.
Anyways, calm down.
Okay.
So, I had to hire this very talented young man to pose as our new neighbor.
Hold on. Are you talking about that Alex guy?
Yes.
Angela!
Wow.
And you didn't even mention it. You know, I never suspected anything.
You know, telling you would have spoiled the entire fun.
Girl, you are worse than me.
Says who? Please. See, Lizzie, I was losing my mind the last time we spoke. And I just knew I had to look for a solution. And after so much thinking, I just had to look for a solution, okay? I had to look for a solution, and this was the best plan that came to mind.
And I can tell it really worked.
Like magic, girl.
Ah,
Like absolute magic. You needed to see Dilly.
all jealous and worked up. You know, sometimes I was wondering how I was able to stop myself from laughing.
Men will not cease to amaze me. So Dele can't be jealous over another guy doing stuff for you, but he was comfortably and confidently doing stuff for that Emily girl.
Babe, press pause. You see that story? I go still yarn you very well later. Like, I saw me.
I can't
Guy,
wait.
my eyes is shaking.
I can't wait, babe.
No worries.
Oh.
But Lizzie, I'm actually worried and concerned.
Concerned about what? Isn't this the expected result?
It is, but what if Dele is up and doing because Alex is still here?
Okay.
You know, I'm talking about what would happen when Alex is no longer here. And I'm not talking about Emily or any other hotshot neighbor. I'm just talking about months from now, years from now, if Dele goes back to being his old self.
Listen to me, baby girl. Huh? I do not know Dele as much as you do. But I know how men can be. And I can tell you for a fact that you have passed a message across.
You think so?
I know so. I am 100% sure. Baby girl, just relax and enjoy your new husband.
I pray he remains new forever.
And if he doesn't, we will come up with another wicked scheme.
Anyways, I actually enjoyed watching this whole story.
I can't imagine.
Pan out. It was fun.
And people will look at the both of us and say that I'm the artful one.
But you still get on for body now.
I don't know, say you
No,
be
you
bad
get your own
girl.
for body. You get that for body pass
Babe.
me. I just had something to save my marriage. Okay?
Babe, that was good.
I know.
Okay. So the other bags are in the car, right? Be careful, don't spoil my bag, bro. So just put it inside here.
So, when this is our date?
No, but we need...
Where is our hot neighbor going to?
No idea.
Emily!
Emily!
Oh, hi.
Emily!
Yeah, sure.
Are you traveling?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I missed you there.
No offense, darling. Are you traveling?
Oh, yes, I am. I'm relocating abroad to go meet my husband.
You're married?
Yes, I am married. So we started processing my papers before we even got married. So after the wedding, we're like, okay, I had to leave where we were staying before. Just, you know how nosy people can be, just asking questions up and down. Yeah, so now my papers are ready and
But what do you want me to do? Since Oga did not make inquiries before he started doing anything. So, bye-bye. Please let me see you off.
Oh, man, these guys are so good. They never run out of good content, man.
And I'm sure you sent it to me as usual.
Of course. I can't allow you miss out on a good laugh. Come on.
Okay, well, let me check it out and be sure it's something I can post without shaking tables like the last time.
That's up to you, man. I don't know.
Actually quite funny.
Nice. Glad you like it. That reminds me. I haven't heard from Alex in a while.
Yeah. You know, it's true. Well, maybe he disappeared the way Emily did. Of course, I'm sure they're cut off from the same fabric.
Good for him then. My love, I can't believe you're calling me in the same building as me.
Are you ready?
Of course I am. I've been waiting for about 5 minutes and I'm just waiting for you.